All right, guys. So let's wrap up this appointment with the interior walkthrough. Right now, okay, you're now entering the house, right? It's time to start recording, right? Let's go ahead and get started. If your phone allows, guys, if your phone allows you to record and take photos at the same time, do that, right? I have an iPhone. On an iPhone, you can record and you can take photos at the same time. You don't want to have to, because you need photos and a video walkthrough. You don't want to have to do two walkthroughs or hold two phones at the same time or any of that. If you have to do two walkthroughs, do it. But the more efficient and convenient way is just to do them both at the same time. All right, so when you enter each room, you obviously want to take pictures from every angle. If it's let's say a four-corner bedroom, you want to take pictures from every single corner of that bedroom so you can present every angle to your buyer for them to make the right analysis that they need to make. While you're recording, this is a biggie. This is a biggie. While you're recording, that's when you ask all the important questions, right? Hey, seller, when's the last time the roof was replaced? When's the last time the HVAC was replaced? Right? You do that while you're recording so you can always go back for that important information. Right? Do not count on your memory, when you're going and typing up the property description to send it out to your buyers and you forgot when the last time that roof was replaced and you didn't have it recorded. That's a tough situation to be in, right? So just always ask those important questions while you're recording so you can go back to it. While you're walking, foundation, we all know foundation, it is one of the largest expenses, right? So while you're walking, one of the telltale signs that the foundation needs repairs is slanting in the floors, soft spots in the floors, unevenness in the floors itself. That all indicates that there may be foundation issues. So you can't really take pictures of that, but you yourself, while you're walking, you need to feel for that. And you need to definitely take note and relay that to your buyers. This is a biggie too. Open every door. There's been times where my boots on the ground, they'll walk in a bedroom and they'll forget to open a door. And that door was supposed to be a bathroom. But now I can't confirm if it was a bathroom or not because they didn't open the door. So closets, linen closets, I don't care what it is. If it's a door, you need to open it so you know what's on the other side. There could be, county records could show, 2 bedrooms or 2.5 bedrooms, but it's actually 3 or it's actually 3.5. The only way you know is if you open every single door and you can confirm what's behind it. Electrical panel, we need to know. This is a simple thing. Just take a picture of it, right? If it looks old and rusted and outdated, we need to see that. And that'll tell us if it needs to be replaced. Another thing for the actual water flow to see, if the plumbing is messed up or any of that, just turn on a few faucets, right? When you're walking that kitchen, turn on the faucet. When you walk in the bathroom, turn on a faucet just to see the water flow itself. Electrical. Again, another thing you can do, turn on every light when you walk in, right? Turn on every single light when you walk in every single room. You need to see if there's something wrong in that room or not. And lastly, when you want to take note kind of water spots in the ceiling, you can zoom in and take a picture of it. You can zoom in on your video. If there's water spots, if there's mold, anything in the ceiling that will indicate that there's a leak in that roof, or active water dripping in that roof or that ceiling, you need to take note of that. And that's pretty much it, guys. When you're walking that property on the interior, these are the important things that you have to note. And remember, like we talked about on the key things to note for the walkthrough, after you finish this interior, just say, hey, seller, thanks for the opportunity. I'm going to submit these pictures and feedback to my contractor, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Right? That wraps up the walkthrough. You let them know that next expectation. And guys, that completes the whole appointment. That is the perfect appointment. You just gathered all the information you need to present to the seller, to make your offer, to calculate your estimated repair costs. You got everything you need. So that wraps up that chapter, guys. I'll see you in the next chapter.